All right, everybody, welcome to the 13-14 Panini Playbook random break, one box break. That sold out. This seemed to work pretty good. We got all 30 spots filled up, and that is the break we're going to be doing first. So let's go over to random.org, and let's open up a list randomizer right there. All right. Now I am going to take a list of the people's names that are in the break. We're going to randomize 3 times. Then the final order I'm going to copy and paste next to a list of the teams, starting alphabetically from the Avalanche all the way down to the Wild. So there is the list of people that are in. And let's paste them in. And these are in the order that they were claimed, purchased, however you want to say it. So here we go, random that list 3 times for the final team order. Here we go with number 1. And number 2. Third and final time is our final list. And you see the timestamp where it says that the list has been randomized 3 times. So we're going to copy that. Copy. And it's going to get pasted next to a list of the NHL teams. Chart right here. And paste. And there is your final order. All right. For you guys there on random.org, let me make this a little bigger. You guys can probably see it a little bit better. All right, there we go. The Avalanche go to DeMagan 57. Blackhawks 02 Snake 02. Blue Jackets E. Wilkins. Blues DeMagan 57. Bruins Stacks John 1. Canadians TK 6970, Canucks DeMagan 57, Capitals 02 Snake 02, Coyotes Stacks John 1, Devils Tadal 86, Ducks Reno 2677, Flames Reno 2677, Flyers 02 Snake 02, Hurricanes 02 Snake 02, Islanders Tadal 86, Jets DeZoop, Kings 02 Snake 02, Leafs Tadal 86, Lightning DeMagan 57, Oilers TK 6970, Panthers DeMagan 57, Penguins DeZoop, Predators Tadal 86, Rangers DeMagan 57, Red Wings 02 Snake 02, Sabres Stacks John 1, Senators E. Wilkins, Sharks DeMagan 57, Stars DeMagan 57, and the Minnesota Wild is Stacks John 1. So there is our order and teams. Now let's bring it over here and let's go ahead and crack that open. Put this back over here for now. And here we go with Panini Playbook. Good luck to everyone, and here we go. All right, we start out with a base card for the Ottawa Senators, Bobby Ryan. This is number to 249. 249 for the Ottawa Senators. Bobby Ryan. Let me move you guys over just a little bit more so it's easier for me to reach the camera to show these cards. And for the Ottawa Senators again, we have a social signatures of Kyle Turris. Also for the Ottawa Senators, so the first 2 hits so far going to E. Wilkins. E. Wilkins. Now we get into the books, and we got 2 of them. First off, for the Boston Bruins, we got a first-round edition Dougie Hamilton. And we got an auto and jersey booklet. Dougie Hamilton for the Boston Bruins. And these are not numbered. And who's got my Bruins? The Bruins, Stacks John 1. So they get the Dougie Hamilton auto and jersey booklet. And we have another booklet here. We have a dual rookie class book, Tom Wilson, Elias Lindholm. We got the Washington Capitals and the Carolina Hurricanes. Washington Capitals and Carolina Hurricanes. So, let's see what we got here. Capitals, 02 Snake 02. Hurricanes, 02 Snake 02. So there is no random to do. 02 Snake 02 has both teams. So that goes to 02 Snake 02, who has the Caps and the Hurricanes. And that is it for the single box of Panini Playbook. Now, we get over into the Dominion case. So that'll be a different video. So stay tuned for the Dominion case break.